1 month earlier. Hey everybody, I know that for some reason I will never truly understand, the world is particularly interested in the colour of my teeth. I've done 2 videos about whitening my teeth and people have been like really keen on them. So these are the kits here that I used to whiten my teeth, and as you can probably see, I haven't done it for a while. They've sort of gone back to their original natural shade of off-white. I've explained this more than once, like it has started to bother me. I don't know if it's just from people pointing it out all the time, but it has started to bother me. I don't know. Maybe it's just from spending a bit of time in the States where everybody has like perfect teeth. So these are the kits that I use to whiten my teeth when I do. These ones from Smile Science. They are a lot less scary than other teeth whitening kits that I've seen out there. They're also vegan and cruelty-free. What I like the best is the fact that the one in the pink box is bubblegum flavored. Mint flavor comes in the blue box, but I like the little pink bubblegum flavored one. I'm a bit of a chemical phobe, so I really put off whitening my teeth for such a long time. Anyway, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you've definitely seen me use this before, but the point of this video is the last 2 times I've only used it once to see like what kind of difference it would make. This time we're going to be testing this over like 3 or 4 weeks, so over like a month, and see what the difference is after regular use. So starting today, I'm going to be using this kit regularly. It does say it will make your teeth up to 10 shades whiter, and I have noticed that it does make a difference after a single use. I was using it regularly, but that was a while ago, and people were like complimenting me, saying like there was a noticeable difference. But anyway, I want to kind of prove it and really see it for myself and do like a sort of controlled test or whatever. So here we are. This is where we're at today. Looking good. Oh yes, yes. Nice, healthy golden glow. Have I got a shade guide? I don't know if These very conveniently come with shade guides, so I'm just going to test where I'm at on the yucky spectrum at the moment and see where we are after a month. Okay, so where are we? So I had like a lot of dental surgery and stuff in the last year, and you can't use these if you're having dental surgery. It's just not smart, so I wasn't able to use it for a while. I was using the charcoal that they had, which is really, really good. I still use it. Okay. Yeah, it's gone back. It's gone back a long way. What do you reckon? Because I'm thinking like about a 14. Yeah? 14, 15, kind of? 14 and a half? On the gross side of the card, so it says up to 10 shades lighter, so what we're aiming for is a 5. So let's see if in a few weeks my teeth look like this instead of like this. Smile. So these kits come with dental trays, a teeth whitening pen for touch-ups after you've run out of the gel, and a UV light, and some vitamin E swabs for cleaning up any stuff that oozes out into your gums. Day 1, let's begin. One month later. Okay, it's been a month. Here we are. I've tried to recreate the same, don't look at my bathroom. I've tried as much as I could to recreate the same settings as I had, like with lighting and stuff. It's the same time of day. I think I've got the same lighting set up. Not only did I wear the same lip gloss, but I also scrubbed off a darker color that I was wearing earlier in the day to do this. So I'm sorry that my lip color looks so bad in this video. I apologize. This is really hard to stand here because you can't see, because I've got this basin right here being like in the way. Anyway, so I didn't do this every day. I've lost count as to how many times I did this, how many times I used the kit. So apparently you can use it without the trays, but I used it with the trays every time just because I didn't want to risk like getting it all around my mouth or swallowing it or something. Anyway, I thought that having these like gel filled trays in my mouth for half an hour was going to be like a real annoying chunk out of the day, but honestly it was really easy to fit into my routine. It was really, really easy, and I was actually like starting to notice a difference. And not just me, but other people, including you guys, starting to notice a difference. Like in my last video, there were a lot of comments saying, wow, your teeth look great, what have you been doing different? Like I said, I've lost count as to how many times I've done it. I do think I'll actually keep doing it because I have seen it make a noticeable difference. I think if I did anything wrong, it was probably that like you're not supposed to drink tea or anything that could stain your teeth for 24 hours after using the kit, and I almost definitely did that several times. Like without even thinking, I'll just finish a cup of tea and go, oh shit, whoops. I hope that didn't make it worse. So last time I figured my teeth were about a 14 and a half, I said, so kind of like between these two colors here. Lovely. Let's see where we're at now after regular use of this kit. Okay, the moment of truth is upon us. Yeah, it's kind of hard to believe they look that heinous. Huh? Okay, yeah. I feel like the ones further back that I didn't get the gel on so much are still like a bit of a gnarly colour, but definitely the ones in the front where it was easier to coat them look like way better. 8 or a 7? Yeah, I'll say 8. What do you reckon? I'm thinking kind of about here-ish. What do you reckon? Ignore this tooth because that one's fake, that's not a real tooth. Yeah, I'm gonna put it at an 8. It looks like an 8 to me. So if we consider that we started from about here and now about here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know, we're about 7 shades lighter. So let's have a side-by-side comparison with what I filmed a month ago. Like, this doesn't have a huge amount of bleach in it, which is why I like this kit, because it doesn't have like a huge amount of chemicals in it. I'm a real chemical phobe and I don't like the idea of putting a whole lot of like hydrogen peroxide in my mouth or whatever it is that they use, and this one doesn't have that much. So with like each use it makes like a little bit of a difference. I have been able to see while I've been doing it, like I'll be looking in the mirror, I'll be washing my face or something and be like, oh, they actually look a lot better. And I have noticed when I've been editing my videos looking on the camera, I'm like, it does actually, they do look noticeably better, they look whiter. Obviously they're not white yet, I don't know if they're ever truly going to be white. They are noticeably whiter than they were a month ago, so much so that plenty of people have commented on it. And like, I like it. I think I might just actually keep doing this. Having yellow teeth never ever bothered me in the past, but like seeing them get whiter is actually kind of weirdly satisfying. I don't know, I've been on like a kind of general self-improvement kick in the last few weeks, this being part of it. And my final assessment of the Smile Sciences teeth whitening kit is that it does work, that the results are worth it if you do it over a longer period of time, that it isn't like, it's not hugely dramatic, but it is worth doing, and like it's a nice, gentle, friendly kit. I haven't tried any other teeth whitening kits, like I said, because I'm a real chemical phobe, and there's something kind of like friendly and non-scary about this one. I also like the fact that it's cruelty-free and bubblegum flavored. That's one of the other reasons I've sort of put off doing it, because it just always seems like it's going to be such a big job. But what I like about this one as well is that it says it doesn't cause sensitivity. Sometimes directly after using it my teeth feel a little bit sensitive, but over time it doesn't make your teeth more sensitive, for which I'm very thankful because my teeth are super sensitive already and it is ghastly. They have given me a code to share with you, which is written in the description box below, which means you can get the kit for only $29, which is, I guess, a pretty fair and reasonable price for this. I think it's worth it. Yeah, and I'm totally gonna keep doing it. I'm totally gonna keep doing it. Like, obviously they're not white. I don't think my teeth will ever be white. Also, like, again, my face is really pale. Like, I wear like white foundation, and I have worked for most of pretty much my entire life trying not to get like a freckly face. Okay, it is much harder to maintain palette than it is to maintain a tan, okay? In comparison to my white makeup face, my teeth are never gonna look truly white, I don't think. But yeah, I think I will continue using this kit to see how much further we can go with this. Because once the gel syringe runs out, there's a pen. There's like a top-up whitening pen thing to sort of keep your whiteness going. Now this thing intimidates me a little bit because you don't use any trays, you just put it straight onto your teeth and leave it there for a while. It makes me a bit nervous, but I'm sure it's completely perfectly safe. I just need to warm it up and get over it, really. So I'll be doing that over the next while. I guess you'll be able to see the results on my videos and on photographs on Instagram and stuff like that. If you think that my teeth are looking particularly good, now you know why. Yeah, it's not like a massively like BAM! Whoa result. It's like, it looks better. It doesn't look like freakishly white or something. Not like Ross from that one episode of Friends.
So, where were we?
I think they look better, they look cleaner, they look healthier. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna continue doing it. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit the little button below, you know you want to. So as always, take care of yourselves, be nice to each other, stay minty fresh, and I'll see you next time. Bye.